Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, 2, last chance, 1, bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Now, you're now about to witness the greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Oh, yeah. In the multiverse. Greatest show in the multiverse. Look, you're going to witness it. Oh, yeah. Feast your eyes on this bad boy. All right, guys. So we have a great show for you today. Yes, of course we do. It's the greatest in the multiverse. All right, so guys, listen up. Pay attention now. Settle down. You're having too much fun already. We just got started. Settle down. Not time yet. All right, guys. So Divinity to launch Bitcoin smart contracts on internet computers. So that internet computer thing that came out, I'm going to talk about that. So an onboarding for an internet computer. And then Polygon partners with Panther, and they're going to bring privacy on DeFi. So we're going to talk about that. And then, all right, you know how we do around here. We have to watch who's applying for what ETF and whatnot. And so there's another ETF spree going on here. And literally, it just says ETF proposal spree. So we're going to read about that and then do the shout-outs and daily summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. And then we head on over here. We do a bit of look, bang. And then we do a little bit of refresh. All righty. We refreshed. The price of Bitcoin is $45,059. Oh, sorry. $44,059. Oh, yeah. So the price, things are going up a little bit today. So it seems like that. So the big company so the reason we had this big downturn lately, well, the past couple of days, there's this mega real estate company in China. And so people were afraid they were going to default. They've got $300 billion worth of outstanding debt. If they defaulted on it, it would have been a little messed up. But actually today they paid some of the debt off. And let's get real. Everybody knows that the Communist Party of China is not going to let that thing default. What they'll do is they'll bail it out and become part owners of the thing. That's common in China. They're called SOEs, state-owned enterprises. And so they'll just do that. No big deal. The thing we're really worried about now, though, is next week, America has to raise its debt ceiling or else it doesn't pay its bonds. In other words, it defaults on its bonds. Now, if that happens, we're going to go into financial Armageddon. And so that's the other thing people are worried about. And it sounds like the Republicans are pretty serious about not wanting to raise the debt ceiling. And so we'll see. But, I mean, they've said this kind of crap before. And then at the last minute, they always raise the debt ceiling. Obviously, because you'll destroy America. You'll destroy the global economy if you don't raise America's debt ceiling. And so they always do this brinksmanship, right to the edge. And then finally they pull back. And so, well, I'm assuming that's what will happen this time. If not, well, it was nice knowing you, Foxtex. All right, but let's just get back to our crypto. We'll worry about that next week when we need to worry about it. But for today, things are looking green. Things are looking good. The Chinese thing is, it's solved, man. Don't worry. The Communist Party is not going to let that thing default. Of course not. All right, so let's just move on. That's for you who were scared about it. Oh, right. So we're at the price of Bitcoin part. All right, so price of Bitcoin, $44,059. Actually, it's $44,122 now since I've been sitting here this past 2 minutes talking to you. Anyways, we're going to go with the original price. $44,059. When I left you yesterday, we're at $42,077. So we've gone up. What do we got up here? We've gone up $1,982. $1,982 up. But, all right, let's look at the top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Top 10, usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Tether, Binance Coin, XRP, Solana, Polkadot, USD coin, and Dogecoin. All right, let's see the market moves of the day. Yeah, some nice green going on around these parts. Look, so I hope you all bought those dips. I hope you're all good little subscribers and bought those dips a couple days ago.
Oh, yeah.
That's why we do it. That's the mantra. BTDI. Buy the dip, idiot. When should I buy? Next time it dips. Buy the dip, idiot. So I hope you did that, brothers and sisters. I know you guys did. I heard you guys in my chat room buying all sorts of shit. Not stupid. Not my subscribers. All right, so let's go. And I'm about bragging about my subscribers. We got the best. It's not about quantity. It's not the quality. It's not the quantity of subscribers that matters. It's the quality. I could have 1 million subscribers that are all dumbasses. I wouldn't even want to interact with those people. You guys are a little bit of smarty pantses. Or you like to learn at least. That's why I like interacting with you guys, you know. All right, look. Market moves of the day. Signal is up, signal is down. Bang! Look at Cardano with 11% up. XRP with 10. Still? People still? Yeesh.
Shomari XRP is not bad. It's going up.
When Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up, you idiot. What matters is when smart money gets here. Let's see how far that goes up. Yeesh. You ever heard of a short? Well, that's what's going to happen to that. Look, Solana 15, Polkadot. All right, we're not going to name all of these. Holy, look at the gains. Right, because everyone was just paranoid about the China thing, and so it went risk off. Obviously, as you can tell from these numbers, well, risk on is back in effect. Full effect. So we're just going to say signal is up, signal is down. Holy fuck, look at all these double-digit gains. I really hope you guys bought these dips, all right? Well, I hope you buy the dips, and I hope you bought that last dip. Signal is up, signal is down. Holy, I might as well just say double digits up. For everything almost, Dagon. All right, V-Train, you just keep doing that. Settle down. Look, signal is up, signal is down. Holy, this is full green. You better have bought these dips, folks. Bang, look at IOTA with 20% or 12% up. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, you know how we do it around here. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it, because it's on sale. Personally, I think these sales are over. Well, for now, we'll see. You know the markets go. Well, let's check it out. See top 10 losers. Oh, fuck, it's pure stablecoin shit. Oh, yeah. All right. Top 10 losers: Bitcoin SV, Pax Dollar, Binance USD, True USD, USD Coin, Tether, Terra USD, DAI, Unisys, Leo, and Celsius. All right, let's see who made money today. Everybody. This is a market. Yeah, today was a market. Fuck, you could throw a dart at a board, and whatever name it landed on, just put a 10-piece chicken in that, and you made money. All right, let's see who did it though. Bang! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Exactly. All right, top 10 gainers. Arweave, Terra, Cosmos. Oh, I had a Cosmos story today. I was going to read it to you, but I'm going to save it for tomorrow. I like when I'm reading stories to you and they show up in the top 10, bottom 10 thing. Just because I can show you what type of dumb money we're here with. All right, guys, let's just go back. Top 10 of the day: Arweave, Terra, Cosmos, Perpetual Protocol, Phantom, Tezos, IOST, Hedera Hashgraph, Axis Infinity, and Avalanche. Let's look at the total market cap of the day. Now, this should be big. What? Oh, this is a bunch of bullshit right here. All right. I thought we'd be nicely over the $2 trillion mark, but actually we're still under $2 trillion. So total market cap is $1.977 trillion, not billion, trillion dollars. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $1.846 trillion. So we've gone up $0.131 trillion. All right. 24-hour volume. Indeed. $114.7 billion. And actually, that's gone down. Holy, how did we get these massive gains like this? That's wild. That means because the volume didn't go up that much. Yeah, I was sorry. The volume actually went down today. So that means those people that did come, he was straight by. I mean, and you could see it from the numbers. I mean, it's not rocket science, but shit. I mean, that's quite the drop. So anyways, today's volume is $114.7 billion. When I left you yesterday, we're at $135.2 billion. So we've gone down. Fucking $21 billion down. But look at these gains. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. That means that they were getting these are smarty pants investors. Not many of them, because we only have 114.7 billion. Yeah, but they all bought those fucking dips heavy, didn't they? Because look at these gains we have. I mean, mostly everything are double-digit gains. I mean, and I'm not just talking double digits. I'm not talking just, low double digits. I'm talking, look, we're in the 20s. Look at this, 28% for Terra. Let's go down this one more time. Cosmos, 23%. Actually, the story I read yesterday, it should be, 25%. I mean, we're talking in the 20s. Right? So fuckers came and they bought heavy and hard. All right, well, good. That's what we want. All right. So let's get on to the stories. All right. Fucking beautiful, beautiful thing, guys. Yeah, when you get low volume but high gains like that, yeah, well, that means that was straight pumping into the market. Those who ran away have already run away. Those weekends were gone. Ah, now we have another batch of weekends coming in trying to stake their claim here. Let's see how long these boys last. All right, let's move on to the stories, though, for real this time. Bang! Definity launched Bitcoin smart contracts on the internet computer. So, let's read the byline. And you know what? It's interesting. I have another Bitcoin story. Hold on. Let me look at it for a second. I'm not going to read the story to you, but I'm just going to tell you what the title is. Let me just find it. Give me 1 second, guys. Due diligence, folks. This is how we do our due diligence. Yeah. Oh, this is it. Oh, this is the one. Oh, okay. My bad. I thought there was another company doing it as well. All right. So settle down, guys. So look. So let's read the byline there. Definity's moves are part of a wider scale industry initiative to make Bitcoin usable in DeFi and Web 3.0. Yeah, good shit. All right, let's check it out. When I can find out where my fucking mouse is. Oh, there it is. Don't you hate? Have you guys ever done that? Right, you're looking for your mouse?
Where's my mouse pointer?
All right, anyways. In brief, the internet computer will host Bitcoin smart contracts by the end of the year. Smart contracts will enable lending, yield farming, derivatives, and other DeFi applications for Bitcoin. So the Definity Foundation, which is behind the internet computer blockchain, announced on Tuesday that it will be integrating with Bitcoin, opening up the cryptocurrency to smart contracts and decentralized finance applications, DeFi applications, on its network by the end of the year. Bang! Internet computer smart contracts will gain access to Bitcoin liquidity, and Bitcoin will gain powerful new smart contract functionality without the need for insecure and cumbersome trusted bridging services. Oh, they're shitting on the bridging services? Insecure and cumbersome bridging services? Said Definity founder Dominic Williams in a statement accompanying the announcement. A DeFi ecosystem for Bitcoin is a major industry initiative. It would mean the world's most popular cryptocurrency, could be used for lending, yield farming, derivatives, liquidity pools, and more. Just like the current industry leader, Ethereum. Oh my gosh. You know, right now, institutions and banksters, I should maybe read this to you tomorrow too. Like, I was thinking of saving it for Saturdays, but look, man, they are dying to get into DeFi. This DeFi thing and yield farming and shit, they are, man, the banksters want in, and they want in heavy. Heavy. Yeah. Personally, I thought that the banksters were going to offer DeFi for themselves. Nah, they want in on this stuff right here. This crypto stuff. The crypto DeFi. You'll see. I'm going to read that to you guys later this week, if I can find that story again. Yeah, it was a big deal. And it is a big deal. So anyways, listen. The Internet computer is designed to act as an alternative to the cloud-based infrastructure of today's World Wide Web, and was launched in May, having been in development since 2016. Its ambitious aim is to transform the Internet into a giant global computer that will take on the $370 billion cloud computing market by enabling secure, decentralized versions of popular applications such as LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Key to this goal is smart contracts and interoperability with the World Wide Web. You got to have interoperability. If you don't have interoperability, your blockchain is just on an island by itself. Oh, it's cute, it's fancy, and it's shiny, but it's like having a Lamborghini with no gas in the engine. Well, you can't go anywhere, can you? Hey, sweetie, look at my Lambo. Yeah, take me for a ride. Wow. I don't have any gas in that motherfucker. Oh, that's useless then. She's off to the guy with the who has gas in his car. All right. So look. So World Wide Web has different blockchain networks which will enable different pieces of software to talk to each other seamlessly. To achieve this, the Internet computer is powered by a novel chain key cryptography that allows it to sign transactions for other blockchains such as Bitcoin, said Williams. Since its launch just 4 months ago, Dfinity claims that Internet computer has processed more than 200 million blocks, far more than any other blockchain. Dagon, that is far more. The shit just came out 4 months ago. Well, I know it came out 4 months ago, but I didn't know they processed that many blocks already. Bridging with Bitcoin, but Dfinity is not the only project working to integrate Bitcoin. Bridging technology is the most popular method of doing so up to now. DeFi project Portal is also looking to build out a DeFi ecosystem for Bitcoin. On Tuesday, it announced an $8.5 million raise, with Coinbase Ventures and Arrington XRP Capital participating in the funding round. We're excited to see Portal's Bitcoin native approach to multi-chain transfers go live and provide an alternative bridging mechanism to the growing number of active on-chain users, Michael Arrington, founder of Arrington XRP and TechCrunch, stated. In November, Bitcoin is due for its first big upgrade in several years. Dubbed Taproot, the changes will make it easier for smart contracts to be created on the protocol. Bitcoin fan Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter and payments company Square, is keen to take advantage. In July, he announced that Square is working on a DeFi platform to integrate Bitcoin and dubbed to be determined, TBD, to be determined. But all the activity has also captured the attention of regulators. Yes. They've raised concerns about the security and accountability of projects and look to be doubling down on their vigilance of the sizzling hot DeFi space. That's true. Gary Gensler said something about that yesterday. He was like, look, you DeFi miscreants got to get regulated. Which is true. All right, so there you go. Internet computer. If you're an internet computer hodler, bang. People have been, I've told you guys this. I know the prices have gone down, obviously just because Bitcoin went down, but I told you, I read a little bit about this thing, and there were some big names that were, I told you already, that were, they're looking to use this thing. All right, so let's move on. Bang! Polygon partners with Panther protocol to enhance privacy in DeFi. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. I mean, because actually, like what Gary Gensler said is they want to, we have FATF, right? Financial Action Task Force. And so everyone's got to be FATF compliant around the world. And so trying to be more private about things is probably sort of anti-FATF. But I'm going to read this to you because it is a partnership. And, we'll just see where it goes from there. Or from here, I should say. So, let's check it out. Anyways, Polygon, the layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum, has announced a partnership with the Panther protocol. The partnership will focus on privacy in the decentralized finance world, with the two entities working with projects building on Polygon to develop privacy features that empower their end users. Yeah, we'll see about this thing. I'll tell you right now, here in America, it's all KYC, AML, and ATF. KYC, know your customer, ATF, anti-terrorist financing, and AML, anti-money laundering. We need to know who you are. And so, this might work in some places around the world, but this ain't going to jump off here in America. I'll tell you that right now. Or in Europe. Europe is even a little worse. All right. But I'm still going to read it to you because it's technically, I don't know. Maybe this thing turns out to be the best thing in the whole world and I'm wrong. And somehow I doubt it, though. Got to be FATF compliant. But let's read it. Polygon, the layer 2 solution on Ethereum, has announced partnership with Partner. The partnership will focus on privacy in the decentralized finance world, with two entities working on projects building on Polygon to develop privacy features that empower their end users. Panther protocol is an end-to-end privacy protocol connecting blockchains. It focuses on restoring privacy to Web3 and DeFi platforms while providing institutions with a clear path to compliantly participate in digital asset markets. Okay, so it says compliantly, so okay. So maybe these guys aren't so rebel. I don't know how you're going to do it, but Panther is building its MVP on Polygon. However, it will launch its ZKP token on Ethereum and use Polygon's interoperable capabilities to bridge the tokens over. In its press release, the project revealed that it chose Polygon because it has demonstrated its incredible technical capabilities and its low fees. Oliver Gale, the Panther Protocol CEO, remarked, Polygon's approach brings scalable, low-cost transactions to the Ethereum network, as well as a burgeoning ecosystem of DeFi protocols already using their technology. Panther's partnership will enable Z-Asset utility between all Panther users in a privacy-preserving, scalable, and regulatory-compatible fashion. All right, so it is going to be compliant. Okay. I haven't read this yet, so that's what I was saying. Anyways, all right, so they're saying they're going to be regulatory compliant, opening the doors for true institutional adoption and retail usage. The MVP on Polygon will avail such features as shielding and de-shielding of assets, private transfer of assets, ability to interact with the protocol via web wallet, Panther vaults, and voluntary full disclosure of selected transactions and their linkage. Well, I don't know how voluntary they're going to be. It's probably going to be mandatory. By partnering with Polygon, Panther will now be able to avail interoperable privacy and compliance-friendly selective disclosure mechanisms to the Polygon network. Polygon will in turn provide technical support to the project and help it to collaborate with other startups building on the ecosystem. Holy, how long is this? All right. Panther targets privacy in DeFi. Both Polygon and Panther acknowledge the value of privacy as a basic human right. The latter uses ZK Snark technology to let its users to mint collateralized, privacy-enhancing, zero-knowledge assets, better known as Z-assets. To do this, the users have to deposit their digital assets from any blockchain into Panther vaults. Once they get the Z-assets, they can use them across the DeFi ecosystem. The MVP on Polygon will give users the opportunity to familiarize themselves with Z-assets, which provide privacy by default while retaining DeFi composability. Minting Z-assets can effectively be seen as a shielding mechanism, and burning is unshielding. It will be implemented via a small number of shielded privacy pools on Polygon, keeping balances of Z-assets permanently backed one-to-one by native collateral in Panther vaults, the project stated in the press release. All right, bang! So there you go. Another partnership for Polygon. Like I said, I'm not really sure how this thing's going to go over, but this guy, they're saying, Panther is saying, well, it's compliant. It's compliant. We'll see how compliant that shit really is. But I know right now that the SEC and the banksters and everyone have their eye on DeFi big time. And I'm going to maybe, like I said, I'll try to read that to you guys tomorrow if I can find that article again. Banksters and everyone want in big time. And so we'll just see. We'll just see how it all rolls out. All right. Let's get to the last story. Bang! Crypto companies continue ETF proposal spree with Bitcoin and ETF DeFi filing. So, here it is. More. So you guys know here in America, we're trying to get one ETF approved, at least to start. Well, you have to start with one, I guess. So it's a little stupid, but anyways, we're trying to get an approval, and it's been a long road. It's been a hard road. It's been a long slog. And so, Gary Big Brains Gensler, he's now our SEC chairman. And so everyone's sort of, this man he taught. So if you don't know who Gary Gensler is, he used to be the CFTC chairman. So he already knows about, regulating big shit, obviously, CFTC. But what's interesting about him is that he actually taught blockchain at MIT. So he's a blockchain master. Right? I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better than to have a blockchain master running the SEC. Like I've said it here before, the only better thing you could have would be Satoshi Nakamoto himself running the SEC. You know what I mean? Dagon. He's a blockchain master. And so that's what we love. That's what we love. And so there are just so many ETF applications obviously sent his way because everyone just, they hope that he's sympathetic to the cause, right? They hope that he's sympathetic to the cause. So I understand the crypto nerds' hopium of what he'll do, but I mean, in his role as SEC chairman, he has to put aside his sympathies to the cause and do his job, which is protecting the American consumer, protecting soccer mom and dad from miscreants in the goodie room in the markets, right? And there are many. And so, right? But anyway, but everyone's still throwing applications at him just because if this guy doesn't approve him, who will? I mean, what the fuck? Who else will? I mean, daggone. And so here's some new ones. Oh, and so on this channel, we are going to watch every single, I know it might be boring a little bit, but we're going to watch every single ETF application and the results. Approval, disapproval. Extending the or whatever, right? And so here's some more, guys. So let me get a sip. Oh, well, actually, let's read the byline here for this is funny. Not funny, but just Tuesday regulatory filings show that Amplify, Invesco, and Galaxy Digital submitted a pair of crypto ETF bids to the SEC. So more submissions. More, right? Everyone just keeps applying because for fuck's sakes, man. Big Brains is on the job, and I mean, if we don't get it from Big Brains, I mean, who the fuck can you get it from? I mean, daggone, the man taught blockchain at MIT. But hold on. But like I said, the truth is his job is to protect the consumer. So as much as he might love blockchain, he has to look at it from the market standpoint, and then there could be manipulation. Now, I'm not saying that's a valid standpoint because we have ETPs, the Germans, and in Sweden, Canada, Brazil, Bahrain, they all have ETFs and ETPs already, and there's no market manipulation. So, but I'm just saying it is his job to do so, right? So look, a spate of cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund filings continued on Tuesday after Amplify, Invesco, and Galaxy Digital filed for a pair of such products. Invesco and Galaxy jointly filed a registration statement for a physically backed Bitcoin ETF. A physical ETF tracks the target index by holding all or some of the underlying in the index. So, physically backed meaning They buy the Bitcoin and put it in the fund. Meanwhile, Amplified has set its sights more broadly in a filing for a decentralized DeFi and crypto ETF, according to a pair of regulatory filings. So the Amplify ETF application will allow the fund to invest in Bitcoin futures, Canadian Bitcoin funds, and companies that hold more than 50% of their assets in Bitcoin, Ether, or another liquid cryptocurrency. Initially, the fund expects to directly invest up to 15% of its total assets in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Canadian Bitcoin ETFs investing in Bitcoin, the filing said. The prospectus is still subject to completion, and key back-end roles are yet to be filled. For example, the pair still needs to appoint a Bitcoin custodian. So Invesco already has an application for a futures-linked Bitcoin ETF before the Securities and Exchange Commission. A ruling on that filing is expected in October. Long road. Oh, yeah. It's been a long, hard road, brothers. We've been on this long, hard road for years now, Dagon. Daggone it. So look, the SEC, which oversees ETFs within the United States, is already reviewing over a dozen applications for various crypto-related funds, including Bitcoin and Ether ETFs that are based both on the actual digital asset, physically backed, and the respective cryptocurrencies' futures markets. The agency has yet to approve any crypto ETFs, though SEC Chair Gary Big Brains Gensler has recently suggested that a futures-based ETF filed under the Investment Company Act of 1940 might have a better chance of being approved than a physically backed ETF. Van Eck, which filed for a ETF in the end of 2020, will be the first of the recent applicants to learn how the SEC views its filing in November. Under federal regulations, the SEC has to make a final determination by then. So, bang! So, here comes some more applications. Everyone is just throwing their hat in the ring, hoping to be first to be approved. Yeah, that's how it works, you know. You want to be first, and what else is there to say about it? I mean, there's nothing else to say. I mean, we've been watching these for the past 3.5 years on this channel, and so I'm just keeping you informed about the new applications, and I'll keep you informed about the results of their filings, you know. So here's some more filings. Come on, big brains, give it to us. Because that's the truth. Once he gives us one, just the first one, well, bang, dang, don, look. All right, I'm being a little stupid here. It depends on the type of ETF he gives us. But if he gives us a futures ETF, like with Bitcoin futures in it, well, then he's got to approve all the rest of the Bitcoin futures ETFs, right? And if he gives us this kind of one, which is physically backed, well, not one, this was 2 ETFs. The Amplify and Invesco, the Invesco and Galaxy Digital ETF was for physically backed. So actually, they're buying the crypto and putting it in the fund. Whereas the Amplify fund had a lot of futures contracts and shit in it, right? And so, anyway, all we can do is watch and wait and see. You know, there's nothing we could do. You know, except hurry up and wait. All right, let's get to the shout-outs. Bang, what we got here? Grunchtable. Larry with the sea with the bang. Holy fuck, Grunchtable, man. I've never seen a piece of mail so hard to get to someone. This guy, Grunchtable, for the past 3 months, he's been trying to send me something in the mail. And it just never gets here. Yeah, they keep sending it back to him, and he keeps sending it here. So, Grunchtable, let's try to give it one more shot, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. All right, Lorna Allen Downs. Look. She said, look, fuck sticks. What's going on around these parts? What you boys into around here? Oh, you in some crib now? Look, I'm all in. Bang. That's how she did him. That's how she's doing him. That's how it be. Lorna Allen Downs. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Oh, yeah, I see some Kong and some Wiggy. I see a little Wiggy Piggy. Piggy Wiggy hip. Bitcoin Kong. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. What does he talk about? CB News. What, Kong? CB News. Look, brothers. You know how we do around these parts, fuck sticks? Look, you too, miscreants. He just went on a tirade. Just went on a tirade against the miscreants and fuck sticks. That's how you got to do it, Kong. You got to tell them. You got to keep them in line sometimes, Kong. You got to keep those fuck sticks and miscreants in line. With a little piggy, yep. And that's how we do it. We do it with a little bit of boom. DeFi. Definity launches Bitcoin smart contracts on interactive computers. Boom. Polygon partners with Panther for privacy on DeFi. Boom. ETF proposals. They just keep coming and coming and coming. Boom. And if you watch this channel long enough and you pay close attention, your portfolio is going to look like boom. Dagon right, Kong. You tell them. Dagon miscreants. Keep them in line, Kong. Miscreant wrangler. Kong is the miscreant wrangler. Got to wrangle those daggone miscreants. Got to wrangle them. You know, like you wrangle, right? You wrangle horses, right? Like you got a herd of horses. You got to wrangle them. Wrangle them miscreants. Bang, Kong. Kong's the wrangler, the miscreant wrangler. All right, what we got here? Son of a bitch is what we got here. Look, bang, bang, bang. Got you wrong, cash. Son of a bitch. Yes. Got you, brother. Once again, can't hide. Learn with the sea, brother. Holy shit, brother, though, Dagon. Did you make money in this market this week? I killed it. I killed it on Monday when we had when we had the big drop. I murdered. I shorted everything against the yen and the dollar. But now they cleaned up the Chinese thing, so now the market's getting back to normal. But I hope you killed it on the beginning of the week. Learn with the sea, brother. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. Oh, fuck, man. A whole bunch of you have been giving me stories to say about Robbie. Fuck, I forgot what stories today, Dagon. All right, tomorrow I'm going to be ready. But he's been with us so long. Oh, yeah, all around the world. Through the eons. He's from the multiverse. He's been with the world since the days of Adam and Eve. Oh, yeah. Oh. Some even say maybe he caused her to eat the apple. That Dagon sour diesel, that's how long he's been with us, since the days of Adam and Eve. What? The Lord told Eve and Adam, don't eat the apple. I give you everything around here. See that tree right there? Don't touch it. And Robbie strolled along, and he was just smoking some sour to himself. He wasn't even trying to get involved. Next thing, Eve walked along. He's like, oh, hey. Eve was like, what are you doing? He's like, let me smoke a little good. She was like, can I hit that? You know how Robbie do. I was like, yeah, sweetie. Hit that. So she got the munchies. She'd never spoken shit like that before. It was the first time. You see, Eve, the story of Adam and Eve. Eve was the first time a human being, a Homo sapien, an earthling, had smoked sour diesel. Whoa, marijuana in general, but especially multiverse level sour diesel. Couldn't handle it. The Lord himself told her, do not eat that apple. Eat anything. You have anything to eat here, but don't touch the apple. Yeah, well, she got all fucked up and stoned. You know how girls do when they get all stoned and giggly and weird. She looked at the apple and she was like, well, she got curious, you know. Well, what if I eat this, you know? Is it going to be that bad? Huh? She took the apple and she ate it. She bit into it. Took a big old bite, and Robbie was sitting there and said, no, Eve, don't. It was too late. She swallowed it. Bang. And you know what happened since then. Read your Bible. And you'll see what happened. Yeah, Robbie. That's how it went down since the days of Adam and Eve, man. Robbie was just chilling, smoking a joint. He was just trying to be friendly. I mean, he tried to be friendly. Yeah, share this weed. You know, share the joint. You know, I'm not going to bogart this joint here. It's a big old spliff, girl. Here, hit that. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, it turned out bad for us, and, well, that's why humanity's in the situation we're in now. Well, thanks a lot, Robbie. Like I told you, not everything Robbie does works out for the betterment of humanity. Sometimes it's not so good. And so this is a situation where, well, kind of backfired on us, and, well, now we're sinners and stuff, and, well, got to be good or else we don't get to heaven. All right, Robbie, love you, but the sea with the bong. All right, enough of that. Look, Redster. Oh, hey, babe, still with the alien head. But don't let that fool you, fuck sticks. Look, look. He's holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe hard. Love you, but the sea with the bong. Been him connecting the dots. Love you, but the sea with the bong. Adam and Eve. Bang. Dagon, Robbie, why'd you do that, man? Why'd you give that girl that joint? It's all right, though. It's all right. Yeah. We're from for guys like he and I from the multiverse, it's just fun watching the humanity. All right. Technically bullish. Love you with the sea with the bang. Banks. Love you with the sea with the bang. Looking all dapper. He's looking all dapper.
Oh, yeah, he's dapper. He's a dapper motherfucker, isn't he? Pretty boy, isn't he? He's a pretty motherfucker, ain't he? He's just one of them pretty motherfuckers, isn't he?
Look. All right. Van Brunen. Not tonight. Van Brunen and
Kitty Van Brunen.
Look, guys. Stay down in that basement and get that stuff you tell your mama. Look, mama. I am investing in the cryptocurrency. Leave me, woman. Well, that's how Van Brunen talks. Don't let his cute little face and that little kitty fool you. Hardcore motherfucker. Love of the sea with the bang. Sunny V, Spy Lady, Lovely Lady, Sea Lady, bang. The assassin. Abundantly made, Love of the Sea Brother, and the kid. Bang. How's that kid doing anyways? Tell me about that. Because you said he was getting a little girlfriend there for a second. His kid's a teenager. I think the kid's probably about 17, 18 now. You know how it is. Sniffing around that pussy. All right. Andrew Ricciardo, you tell him, brother. Look. What the fuck you doing, dog? Man, I'm trying to sell this crypto, man. I'm trying to make this money. Settle down. Hodl. Juice worth a squeeze. You tell him, Andrew. Love of the sea brother. Bang. That's true shit. There ain't nothing truer than that. Deep Entertainment. Not at this time now. Hodl. Juice worth a squeeze. Hodl. Deep Entertainment. So, brother. Look. Love of the sea brother. Bang. All right, that's every miscreant. Oh, it's airdropper talking about. Trade crypto for less coin. Oh, and he gave me some video. Oh, I did watch this video. It was only like 40 seconds or something. I didn't get what the fuck. All right. Anyways, airdropper. I don't know, man. Look. Love of the sea, and then here's bang. Well, I already gave you a bang, so. All right, that's all the miscreants, Dagon. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bye. Welcome back, everybody. All right, so we're back. Fucking massive gains today. Massive gains, so I hope everybody bought those dips. I want you all to understand something. In the markets, we have sayings. You guys know I'm a Forex trader. And in the markets, we have sayings. The trend is your friend. Buy the dip, idiot. What else do we say? Don't let any good crisis go to waste. That's my favorite. Because I don't. That's where you make the most money. Well, the quickest money. We have sayings and they mean things. It's not just we're saying to say it. Right? We're not telling you to buy the dips just for the fuck of it. You know what I mean? It's because it's true. Anytime the market crashes 10, 12%, okay, your mental state should not be, oh no, the market went down. Your mental state should be, yes, thank God I have another chance to dump some money into something cheaper than it was yesterday, right? Cheaper than it was yesterday. Okay, that should be your reaction. Okay, if your reaction is, oh my gosh, no, the world is falling. You're in the wrong business, dog. You're in the wrong business. Nah, not business. You're in the wrong business. Look right here. The business we in is buying dips. Okay, it's not. We don't just say that in the markets just to say it. Right? When people say the trend is your friend, we're not just saying it to say it. It's because it's an easy way to make money just bouncing off the 30, 50, and 100 SMAs. Fuck, it's not rocket science, right? And when they tell you to buy the dips, it's not rocket science. When they tell you to buy low, sell high, yes, fuck stick. Do that, and you will be rich and successful at markets. And so, and I know it's counterintuitive. It's counterintuitive. It is true. It's true. It's true. For most people, why would I buy something that's crashing? It seems like that. But you have to think of in the future, is this company viable? Right? And so a company like, let's Polygon or Chainlink or VeChain. Yeah, these are viable companies going into the future. And so you know that in the future, these things are going to be way more valued than they are now. So as a seasoned veteran, you would buy the dips because you know it's going to be higher later. Buying on the green candle, it means that when it dips again, now you're down. Now it's got to return back to where you bought it and then still get more. So you just buy those dips, and then when it starts returning, you're already up, right? Like, so you saw, if you had bought the dips the past couple of days, yeah, well, look at today's prices. Fucking 20% up and shit like that. Yeah, you'd be 20% up instantly. Yeah, yield farm that motherfucker. Shomari, man, I'm going to get 5% APY. I don't need 5% APY. I just buy dips, and I get 5% in a day. I'm not waiting a year. Fuck stick. I mean, you do what you want if you want to yield and all that and stake all your shit and all this kind of thing, but just buy those dips and you're making more money than you're yielding and you're staking. I'll tell you that. And so, look. All right, guys, so I want you to see that example. If you're new to this channel, when you see dips like we saw on Monday, like, be so thankful that that fucking Everguard or whatever it's called, that Chinese real estate company, everyone was so afraid that they weren't going to, be able to pay off the debt. Fuck. So be thankful for that, and that's the time you take those times. Buy the dips. Buy the dips. We don't just say that to say it. It's not just for talk, right? Trade the trend. The trend is your friend. It's not just talk. It's the reality of the situation. Okay, and so, all right, so I hope you all did that. I hope you all made 10, 12, 20% of your money back in the past 24 hours. Yeah, that's called ROI. Well, and that's really called some serious ROR. Right. You're not a good stock, in the stock market, when a stock goes up 5 or something percent a year, that's good. If it goes up 9% a year, oh my gosh, it's a high flyer. Well, if you'd bought the dip yesterday, you'd be up 20% in a day. Right? In one day. Fuck a year, a day. Right? Be wise. Have money on hand, wait for dips, and just keep buying them. Okay? If you can afford it. I mean, I know everyone's financial situation, it's not all gravy like that, but buy those dips. All right, so let's get to the stories. Bang. We had a great show for you today. Bang. All right. I can't express, that's why I want to express to you, buy those dips. All right. Definity launch. Bitcoin smart contracts on the internet computer. Great. Sorry. Did I say that? Bitcoin smart contracts. And so they're integrating Bitcoin smart contracts into internet computer. Great. There's nothing else to say really about it. Just bang. Bitcoin hodlers, bang. Good for you. All right, then Polygon with Panther, privacy on DeFi. And so, you guys all know, especially you who've been here with me, you all know about FATF compliance. But this Panther thing says privacy in a compliant manner, which I can understand because technically, when I'm at my bank, I have privacy, right? Like my bank account, I'm private, right? No one knows what I have in it or whatever. And the bank doesn't disclose my information to third parties and stuff. And so, if that's what they're trying to say, well, okay, well, I get it, But like I said yesterday, Gary Gensler, he specifically called out DeFi and said, this fucking place needs to get regulated, Dagon. He didn't say fucking, but that's what he meant, believe me. And so, which is good because once it is regulated, I told you, the banksters, they want into DeFi real bad. And I told you back in 2019, 2020, when the first little bits of this DeFi thing started sort of trickling out, I was like, yeah, guys, I think the banksters will just do it themselves. They'll just do DeFi. You want a loan? Well, I'm a bank. I'll give loans. Well, I'm going to do it in a DeFi way, right? I figured that's how that would go. But I read an article today, and actually the banksters aren't going to offer, I don't know what's going to happen, but the article said it was talking about how banksters are not really thinking of offering their own DeFi. They're thinking of partnering with a lot of these DeFi things. And so you might see some shit like Bank of America offers I'm trying to think of some DeFi thing. I can't think of one, man. My brain's gone blank, but offers blah, blah, blah DeFi through us. You know what I mean? And so you'd put your money into Bank of America, but it would actually be going to the internet or going into the, the DeFi thing, and you'd be getting your yields and blah, 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 blah. So, but yeah, it says that the banks really want to partner with these guys, not take them over. I thought they were going to go for the slaughter. I thought they were going to go for the kill. But it looks like they're going to let these guys live. Because that's all it really is, letting you live. We could launch a DeFi thing if we wanted. But we'll just use you and you'll make some money too. Because let's get real. They could slaughter those fuckers anytime they wanted to. And so Polygon hodlers. Sorry, Matic. So hold on, I just figured it out. So Polygon is called Polygon now, but the coin is still called Matic. Is that how it works? Because some guy was like, yeah, Matic coin. And I was like, no, it's Poly. I thought it was called Polycoin now or something, maybe. They were like, nah. Is that right or what? Is it called Polycoin or is it Matic still? Anyways, for Matic / Poly hodlers, bang! Great news for you. And then finally, a couple more ETF proposals. I went through the whole thing. You who've been here, fuck, we don't need to go through it. People keep applying. SEC keeps denying. And we're just waiting for that one breakthrough, that one, the one magic formula that gets it to us. So the truth is that they were denied under the last guy that ran the SEC. Remember this, big brains. So Gary Gensler, the new SEC chairman, since we have the new administration, the Biden administration, and then we get a new SEC chairman. His name's Gensler. And so he hasn't actually denied anything yet. So we'll see how he does it. I'm optimistic because he said that thing about, a futures contract one. I'm very interested, right? And so we'll see how they go. That's all we can do. I can't really say anything more. Just we'll see how that works out, guys. It has to happen one day, right? That's why I watch it. That's why we watch it so hard here. It has to happen one day, but
when, motherfucker, when?
Right? That's the kick in the ass. And the Germans are leaving us in the dust. Switzerland is dusted us too. Canada's ahead of us. Fucking Brazil's got one or two. Bahrain's got one. I mean, Dagon, Bahrain, that's Sharia law compliant, for fuck's sakes. I mean, come on. You can't just get a regular ETF passed around these parts or what? And so anyways, we'll just keep an eye on it. And again, that's all we can do. All right, so on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bye. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Look. In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home. And I'll see you all tomorrow with another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. So until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Bang. You got to press that bell. Because as soon as I upload the greatness, you'll be notified.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Straight from the multiverse notification. So subscribe here and press the bell to get your multiverse notification. Watch that video there to get your mind right. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. My name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always watching our money. And bang! Lucky for you, fuckstick. Bang! I am always on duty. Due diligence is key. Love you guys. See y'all tomorrow. Bang! Over and out.